This is a pack of razor blades from Gillette. This is from the GilletteLabs series. This pack includes a total of 12 cartridges. Please keep in mind, these blades are exclusively designed for GilletteLabs Razor Handles. That includes the GilletteLabs Heated Razor Handle as well. These are the two GilletteLabs razors, one standard and one heated. Let's try this now. Press to release the old cartridge. Now press to attach the new one. This strip provides lubrication. This has a 5 blades design. Each blade refill is designed to last up to 30 shaves. And on the back, this has a built-in trimmer. This is a great feature to have. Overall, these GilletteLabs cartridges are nicely designed. They work great, and this pack is highly recommended.